how you know there's no fish here? Because there's bread right there. And there's no fish. It's a piece of bread. To go to the waterfall.
Right here?
Almost. Hey, how y'all doing? Oh, beautiful. Hey! You guys.
Yo, take that out.
Cat. Oh, you want to go in the cesspool? He's hungry. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not food. Don't do it. It's not food, guy. What are you doing? You want to follow us? Where's the deep spot? Gotta cross this river to get to our spot. Could go over there. Everybody's crossing here. You ready? You wanna cross over there? Oh my gosh! Oh shit! Oh, I got my shirt dirty. Oh, my backpack's wet. Oh man. Woo-wee. That was great. Somebody's waiting for something. This guy's waiting. Oh, I don't want to give you too many of those. I'm gonna call you Sam. How you doing, Sam? You look like a Sam. Sam on the sand. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Right, Charlie? Here you go. Come here, new friend. Say hi to Charlie. Hey, dude. Oh man, this is so good. Charlie, and that's Flaco. I heard someone calling your name, Flaco. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Down. No, you don't know either. There you go. Dang! Feisty, huh? Just grab it out of my hand. Bye. Here we come.